In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access Hulu on Android Auto. Let's dive in. Unfortunately, Hulu is not officially supported on Android Auto, as the platform is primarily designed for navigation, music, and messaging apps. However, there are alternative ways to enjoy Hulu content while driving. One option is to use podcast or downloaded audio content from Hulu. Before your drive, open the Hulu app on your Android phone and download any available audio content, if your subscription includes it. Then, connect your phone to Android Auto via USB or Bluetooth. While Android Auto won't directly stream Hulu, you can play downloaded audio through the media player interface. Another workaround is to use a screen mirroring device to display Hulu video on your car's compatible infotainment system, but this should only be used for passengers to avoid distractions while driving. For safety, always prioritize hands-free options and ensure your focus remains on the road. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy Hulu responsibly with Android Auto.